Oh, wow. That's surprising. Oh. Well, that explains a lot. Oh, well, you don't say.
4 days since President Trump's last appearance, leaving many wondering just
What was that about me?
No, it's one of those things we say that doesn't mean what the words mean.
Oh, like when you said you could care less where we eat, but really you meant you didn't care?
Yep.
Because you understand why that doesn't make sense, right?
Yeah, buddy, read your book.
Oh. Well, I'll be darned.
Why are we lying to
I
him?
don't want to complicate this anymore. What if he hears something that jogs his memory and we're stuck with Ben Shapiro's racist uncle for the last 2,500 miles?
Well, I think if that happened, we'd have to recalculate our options here.
What do you mean by that?
You know exactly what I mean by that.
I'm glad we're friends.
Me too.
What are you guys talking about?
Hey, buddy, how's your book? And that is how Madonna saved Arbor Day.
Well, it makes sense when you lay it out like that.
Thank you.
Oh, shit.
What? Oh,
Shit,
fuckity
I
shit,
forgot.
goddamn boo.
Shit.
That was quite a read. This city is fun. Are we staying here tonight?
We are...
Not
staying...
here.
Because...
Why are you talking like that?
Because we really love the floor of this car.
Yes, look at the floor. So many fibers and crumbs.
We crushed that.
Good thing we watched Weekend at Bernie's 2 last week.
Yeah, it really prepped us for these types of shenanigans.
Hey, that's my name.
I hate
God
this moment
fucking
very,
damn
very
it.
much. I hate this.
Relax. No one will recognize me.
I cannot die in a Trump hotel.
No one's going to die.
Maybe we should have led with this, but we're all going to die.
I know.
But does he
It's
though?
unclear.
I want to see something.
Oh, God, please don't do this. I don't want to die here.
Hello, Linda. Do you know anything about
You're
who?
Donald Trump.
No.
Yes, you clearly are.
Hey, that's Donald Trump.
I wish to be cremated. Somebody take this down.
Hey, everybody, Donald Trump is here. He's the guy that owns this here building we're
We need to
in.
leave.
Am I the only one who cares about this?
I need to call the manager. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Linda, I need you to get me out of here.
Oh.
I need you to get me out of here.
Totally.
What?
How was your first powerful white man privilege experience?
Fucking Remington Steele over here.
Is that what that was?
Extremely, yes.
Oh. Yes, I can see why that would make people mad.
I can't believe we got out of that. Lucky the hotel is so empty.
Ready for Privilege Part 2?
So...
After reading that book, I wanted to see why I did so many terrible things. This could be it. The view from the top, the sea of lights, the sprawling horizon. My brain is on fire right now.
Which...
I'm going to bed. Still admiring your kingdom? I guess without the lights it isn't so...
I was wrong. This can't be it. How many open rooms do you think are in this building?
Most of them?
Most of them. But no room for them. The view from here can't be why people like me do terrible things. because every moment we're reminded that we have too much and that everyone else has too little. Why isn't there enough for everyone when there is enough for everyone?
Come on. We gotta get on the road.
Ben Shapiro's uncle?
Not yet.
We need to get Ronald's.
McDonald's?
Ew, no, it's a place with vegan donuts. McDonald's.
Sounded weird to me too, dog.
Hey, Don.
I thought it was the view from up there, but it's not. It's the view from down here. It's a drawing brought home from art class, hoping Dad would put it on the fridge. Look at the mess of things I own, things that lord over you on your vacation. I add value. I deserve to exist.
Well, he's really going for it, huh?
And of course it all went bad. When you get your value from something external, you hold on to it so tightly, you strangle it.
Donuts?
Ooh, what are those?
Donald, get in the car this fucking instant.
Good things?
They're extremely good things. Come on, big guy.
Similar to Del Taco?
You know, my initial thought was no, but there are some similarities that I cannot ignore.